Watch your style, you know. Wow, a little closer. Show them what going. So here we go on, you know. See? You know, so that coronavirus, thing where you go around. So you know you have to isolate yourself. Look up. So we have a lot of time. No. Enough time we have power on. So everybody had the exercise challenge and yeah, good. But remember, so we help, all who have helper can't come around, you know. So you don't know. So through our quarantine, we have to make sure so we have proper hygiene and clean place. So that one name Clean House Challenge. Because some of we full of beer dirty clothes because we don't know if we wash clothes and clean house and cook. Show them what going on. Show them what going on. See? It name Clean House Challenge. I got tag some paper in it when we know them, you know what I mean? Them keep up them thing. Clean House Challenge. Yeah. They don't know. So who not living in a dirty house? Yeah. So me I say. What me say? Clean House what? Clean House Challenge. Start from now. Yeah man, see it there? See it there? Clean House Challenge. You hear that? Up and run. Ease. Clean House Challenge. Clean House Challenge him. Up and run him.